What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you why you would want to do a cab mount relocate on your second gen Tundra. So behind me I have my 2007 double cab 6.5 foot bed Tundra that just got a cab mount relocate, and then on the lift over there we have Mike from Last Line of Defense's Tundra 2007 as well. That one is a regular cab short bed, so that one's pretty rare and it's pretty cool. It's on 37-inch tires, so this modification is necessary, especially for 37-inch tires. I have seen some people get away with a 35-inch tire without doing a cab mount relocate, and they just barely rub and they're okay with that. But we don't like any kind of rubbing, especially when you're driving, going into a parking lot at the grocery store, and everybody just turns their head because they hear your truck rubbing either on plastic or on the body mount. So let's take a look at my Tundra here. So this one, like I mentioned, just got the cab mount relocate, and then you can see down here how much room I actually have. Got about a little bit more, or exactly 2 fingers there. And this is at full lock. I don't know if you can see that, but it's at full lock. So this is as wide of a turn as I can take with this truck. So we have plenty of room. We trimmed a little bit of the plastic fender liner as well. I still need to throw my mud flaps back on and trim that just to follow basically this edge, so that way nothing gets caught on there. Hopefully I'm going to be able to do that, but if not, I'll just leave them off, and this is how much clearance I will have. And then let's just show this side to show the front clearance. So in the front here, we had to remove the plastic liner piece that was back here. That was the easiest way. And then down here we have like a finger and a half down there. So if we wanted to, this bumper is steel, we can easily just chop that and get some more clearance back there. But this is what the DRT Cab Mount Relocate looks like. It's way back there. It's as far back as you can go with any relocation kit on the market, and I believe the DRT Cab Mount Relocate is the only one available. Like I said, this is Mike's regular cab Tundra. He is blowing this cab mount off right now using the plasma. So that's gonna come off. This tool is super cool because you can just blow air straight through it, and the way that it mixes, it's like a tiny little torch that can just blow straight through metal. So this side is already done. So we got our Nike wells there. We have the red bushings that kind of show off the DRT logo. And it's a nice little touch. It's a very subtle red, which I like a lot. And then now we have all the clearance for the 37-inch tires down here. So really the only reason you'll want to do a cab mount relocate is because you want or need to run larger tires, whether that be for ground clearance, for looks, for anything you want. The cab mount relocate for these second gen Tundras are necessary. So that paired with some trimming of some plastics is all you'll really need to run bigger tires. And it is a lot, but usually it's the shop that's doing it, like our shop here. So really it's not a lot of work for you guys. It does cost a little bit just because it's pretty intrusive. It takes a little bit of time. It's kind of an all-day job really, but the result is pretty cool. It looks cool, and obviously it's functional as well. It lets you run a bigger size tire all the way up to a 37-inch tire. So that's really going to be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. We are here in Denver, Colorado. Celeste, Leroy, I'm in the front. We'll help you out if you have any questions prior to purchasing, or if you think you're going to need this for your truck. So give us a call or subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and we'll see you guys in a later video.